So with the, you know, the split step, right? The gravity step, that's, yep. Dogs, some dogs do that. And
Interesting.
but what's really interesting is that they don't, they hop. So we saw them when they accelerated from a stop. What we saw with our cell phone cameras was that they went into a knee flex position before they accelerated.
Sure.
But when we took our high speed cameras out, they actually hopped. They picked their feet up and then landed into knee flexion and
Yeah,
then accelerated.
I saw
Yes.
the study you did. Yes.
And
That's
so what's cool about that and what's valuable about that is the stretch shortening cycle.
right.
Okay. So the stretch shortening cycle says when you bend your knees, you're storing elastic potential energy into the system that you can use when you sprint. Same basis for plyometrics, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
But the idea with the hop is that you don't just go eccentric, concentric, you actually go concentric, eccentric, concentric. And what that first concentric does is it takes the slack out. So when you're going to, let's say that you're going to use this to pull a chair or something, right? So this is kind of a rubbery bandy thing. So when I'm going to do that, this is kind of the way your body is. There's kind of these little like waves and things that, and it's not taught.
Yeah.
But before I can transmit tension or force from my right hand to my left hand, I have to take that slack out.
Hmm.
So I take that slack out, and
Yeah.
now when I stretch, when I flex,
It's
now I'm
all
getting
that.
exactly, it's all storage
Yeah.
instead of the first 15% going to straightening everything out. So
Interesting.
that's why we think the split step works
Yeah.
and the hop works and all the rest of that.